What's up everybody, Alex from Verus Engineering here, back with another episode of the Verus Fix. And this actually will be the last episode of the Verus Fix because, well, we're renaming this to the Verus News Network, VNN for short. Greetings everyone and welcome to the first entry of the Verus News Network, VNN for short, the show where we talk about all things Verus Engineering, product releases, R&D efforts, and everything in between that we deem noteworthy that don't have their own video, but we still want to give you the inside fix on everything that's going on here at Verus Engineering. So before we get started, let's go ahead and kick things off with our field operative over in Suite 3 to see what's on the mill and get an overall forecast of what's to be manufactured. Thank you, Alex. Yeah, so we're out here in wonderful Suite 3. It's a sketchy neighborhood out here. The locals here are kind of kooky, but yeah, we're gonna give you the inside scoop, see what's going on out here, and see what's being manufactured. All right, thanks for your time. What's going on out here in Suite 3?
We're making parts.
What are we making?
Car parts.
Thank you, Alex. Wonderful coverage. Super exciting to see what's on the mill, and can't wait to see what else we have being manufactured going forward. So without further ado, let's go ahead and move on to product releases. G-Series camber plates for M2, M3, and M4 are now available. Adjust camber down to -3 degrees on any sort of suspension system that utilizes the factory top hat. So a coilover system such as the Öhlins Road and Track coilover that uses the factory top hat, these camber plates will actually work for such setups. So yeah, any system, you know, whether it be a strut, the factory strut, or coilovers, like I just said, that uses the factory top hat should presumably work relatively well with these camber plates. So as always, if you have any questions regarding fitment, feel free to reach out to us at sales@verus-engineering.com. And yeah, I mean, send over some pictures or whatever information may have you, and we will try our best to clarify whether or not it will work. These are great for enhancing the feel of the drive as well as making you more connected on turns. So if you're someone who really wants to take advantage of roundabouts in Mexico, this is a great product for you. Machined in-house here in Indianapolis, Indiana, and available in blue, red, and black. Does Red Bull give you wings? I actually have no idea, but Verus Engineering definitely gives you wings. G87 M2 V1X wing, now available as a complete kit. Let's talk about it. For those of you who don't know, the V1X wing is the bigger brother to the ever so popular UCW rear wing. Our V1X kit for the M2 does utilize all of the same mounts of the UCW, so if you're somebody who's already using the swan neck UCW on the G87 M2 and you want to upgrade, you can actually just take the UCW wing blade off and put the V1X wing blade on, and you are good to go. It utilizes all the same trunk mounting and all of the same uprights, so yeah, it's pretty cool in my opinion. Hi, this is Alex with Verus Engineering. How may I help you? You're inquiring about the M2 wing? Yeah. It's that's right, made in America. Yeah. China. No. Nope. Yep. V1X blades are made here. Yep. Correct. Uprights as well as trunk mounting, machined in-house as well. Yep. Yeah. No worries, man. Yeah, I'm glad we could clear up any confusion. Yep, it's all made here. Yeah, right on, man. Yeah, you too. Bye-bye. You might have just heard the phone call I was just on earlier, but yeah, just to clarify, unlike me, the V1X rear wing kit is made entirely here in the United States. How cool is that? I'll just decide we are aware of all the talks going on about tariffs and whatnot and price increases amongst the industry, and we are doing our best to mitigate this and ensure that you guys are getting the same exact prices. At the end of the day, we appreciate the concern, and if anything does change, we will definitely give you a heads up. So that's much appreciated, so bear with us. It's something that us, along with a lot of other small businesses, are currently dealing with. So yeah, we appreciate it. Back on topic about the V1X for the M2, if you are still confused as to what the V1X has against the UCW, there's a nice video here or here. I'm not sure where YouTube is going to put it. You can only pin it to one corner, and I always point at the wrong side of the screen, but you can check it out somewhere on the top of this screen here. And that video goes over the different wing profiles that we have to offer. It covers the bottom mount UCW, covers the swan neck UCW, as well as the V1X, obviously. And it kind of just goes over what you can expect from using these different wings with different underbody components, such as like a splitter and side splitters and whatnot. So that's a fairly good watch. It is based around the Supra. But that being said, there's a lot of just general principles and ideologies that really it kind of just applies to all the cars that we make parts for. So definitely check that out if you're wondering what the V1X has against the standard UCW. In other news, oil pan for the FA24, increased clearance and minor changes to baffling. We've been getting so many messages about this, and especially in light of some other companies that are actually working on their own oil pans, so that's pretty exciting. We love a good competition, but because of that, we are also being very careful about what we publish, especially during this testing phase when we don't know if things are gonna work or not. So we are working on it. We did not forget about the oil pan. It's very well in development, but to be fully transparent, it is just something that, you know, the more we test, the more things we discover, and that's what's going on. I assure you, we are not just sitting here and doing nothing. We are testing it, and we're testing every different situation that we possibly can. But every single day, we do take everything we can into consideration, and we continue to improve it. But as far as physical changes, right now, I can say there is increased clearance between the header and the oil pan, as well as some minor tweaks to the baffling. And that's all I can say right now, because we're still working through things. But yeah, it's showing a lot of promise. We just don't want to publish anything just yet. Lots of exciting things on the horizon. Horizon Motorsports, LLC, you know, the infamous Trans Am build that's been floating around the internet for like the last 3 years. It's awesome. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you probably don't have internet. During PRI, we took the time to scan the new front wing element on their car as part of our aero consultation efforts to help push the father-son duo forward and do the next big thing, because this car just continues to get better and better, and it's really exciting to see. So if you want to see the vlog that we made and just our overall thought process during this whole scanning and just a little, you know, glimpse of the project and how it's been going, check out this video here, or wherever the heck it is. I think it's here. It might be here, I don't know. The stakes are high with our new high downforce kit coming soon to the 992 GT3. The 992 GT3 is bound to get some new aero soon. For those of you who don't know, currently we just have a UCW as well as a splitter for that car. And we are making a high downforce splitter as well as a V1X rear wing kit for that car as well. We have a lot of it actually manufactured already. We're just waiting on some brackets. And yeah, we just need to get those powder coated, and I expect to see those released at some point soon, maybe in the late spring or early summer. And lastly, gotta catch 'em all. Tank, the shop puppy here at Verus Engineering, now has a Pikachu dog bed. Just thought I would share. Well, that is it for this entry of VNN. I'm Alex with the Verus News Network, and as always, stay classy, and I'll see you on the next one.